Alright, so there's a little lookout just over here I found on the side of the road, and we're starting to get clearer. Look at that. I'll look over there in a minute, but for now, Lake Waituk's Lookout, eh? You can see right down to that first lake we were at this morning. You can still see the clouds coming off the hill we were at this morning. Way up there, the clouds. That's where we were. See, that's just, oh, so beautiful. It just shows what it would have used to been if that had not been cleared, and it would have been like a natural either savanna or a natural just forest. It's probably mega trees. Oh, it would have been insane. You can see why like the Grampians would have been so important for like the Aboriginal people, because look at it, it's magic, it's insane. It's crazy. And dead quiet. Half that bird. See, as far as the eye can see, literally just keep seeing, just keep looking. Absolutely insane. It's just beautiful. It's just so cool. Well, this is why I came to Grampians. This is it. Oh man. Man, that is special. It's just insane view. It's such a good view. This is it. This is the popular lookout. Whoa. Okay, it's pretty good. It's actually really good. Yeah, wow. Okay, I kind of see why it's good now. It's pretty mental. The railing everyone climbs over. This is where it happens. So I think now we'll actually head off to the Pinnacles, because I guess that's the last thing we can really hit before it starts getting too late. Yeah, we'll go hit the Pinnacles and that Reed's Lookout, and then probably start thinking about heading to camp or setting up a camp somewhere. I still don't know where I'm going to stay tonight, but I'll just bring up maps when I get service again, and we'll I don't know, find a campsite and have a look for it. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's get to it. And look at that, look at that kilometre go. Oh man, that thing's good. Yeah, this whole car, it's been performing very nice. It's been good. It's been very good. Look at this forest, oh man. Spesh. Looks so nice.
Filled with people that I lasted.
It's a really nice part of the day right now. Sun's out.
Because
You love when you. We're here at Reed's Lookout. Balconies is a 1K walk that way. So there's that lake. So to give you perspective, we actually came in, drove all around that lake, and then back up there. that's the Instagram stuff. I'm actually surprised I'm the only person here. This place is insane. You have a nice photo rock. And no one's here. You can just see for ages in the highest quality you'll ever see anything. Like, it's an insane view with insane clarity on a day like today. The way the hill kind of just blanketed in trees, so it's not rough, it's just a smooth dip in. Really special place. As my tummy grumbles. Because, yeah, probably should sort out camping and dinner and camping soon. Alright, heading back to Holes Gap now. I've got a bit of an idea where I might be camping. It's about 35k south of Holes Gap. Hopefully it's a little quieter down there. But yeah, just heading to Holes Gap now. I'm gonna get some fuel, might get some ice. But apart from that, we're pretty much good to head to camp and then get started. So yeah, such a nice day for a drive. Grampian's been awesome and absolute killer day for it. Tomorrow's meant to be raining, so I might leave. I'll probably end up leaving Grampians tomorrow, unfortunately. Like, I would have liked to stay here longer, but the rest, like the weather the rest of the week just looks shit. So I'll probably head down to Otways because I think it's meant to be a bit better down there actually. So I might end up heading down there for a bit, and then yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. But nah, it's awesome. I'm loving it so far. It's been absolutely kudo. So yeah, not going to Holes Gap, instead taking a little bit of a shorter route. We're driving through the forest. Some forest, I don't know, it's cool. Insane, you know? Just crazy. It's a one-way road, it's okay, I'm allowed to be distracted. Windy corners, all around. The Pajero is acting like it did back in the 90s with this rally pedigree and the Dakar. Oh, it's, you can't beat it. Alright, just refilled the water bottles from the jerry can, but we got a little friend over here. How's it going? After eating dinner, cooked 2 eggs, which were good. One was more of an omelette, but it was still alright. Needed salt and pepper though, was missing out on that. And had 2 snacks, and they were good as well, so I got 1 left. So I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is maybe just head south and try to get some service, and then let everyone know I'm still alive, and then like either visit some places down the south side of the Grampians if I can, and then if not, head south towards Always. Because I want to do one more night here, I really do. It'll depend how it is tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow morning I'm just going to sleep in. I'm not going to set an alarm. I'll just get up at around, 7:30, 8ish, whatever. Drive down, I'll maybe put the drone up for a bit. Drone battery's still on charging, but I don't know. I'll try and figure something out there. It's really fucking annoying. But yeah, apart from that, it's going really good. There we go. All the cooking's done, so I'm just burning the rest of the firewood. I don't really need it. Just got some big old log I dragged out of the bush. I'll burn that last bit off and I'll just leave it. Yeah, that was good fire and good meal. Oh, about ready for bed. Maybe like a few more minutes. I want to wait and see if those stars to come out and see if I can get a good photo of one, or two, or three, or a billion stars. We'll see. They completely got the weather wrong. They said today it was going to be raining, clouds, but it's freaking beautiful out.